W and V. In this video, you're going to learn a simple exercise to learn to tell the difference between the two English sounds W and V. As you can see, I'm in Russia. I've been out here for the World Cup, and since I've been out here, I've been talking to lots of Russian people, and the two sounds that I've noticed that Russians have the most difficulty with is W and V. Not just Russians, people from all around the world really struggle with these two sounds. So I'm making this exercise specifically to help any of you watching this learn the difference between the two sounds W and V, and it's going to really help your English pronunciation and help you to speak English with a nice professional British accent. Watch until the end of the video. At the end of the video I explain exactly how you put everything I'm going to teach you together. So thumbs up if you like the video. Let's get started. So the first sound that we're going to look at is W. 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 I've actually done a tutorial explaining how to make the W sound in this video up here. So click up here to watch the tutorial. But what I'll do now is just explain how the mouth makes it. So the W sound is it's made from two vowel sounds. It's called a semi-vowel, and that's because it's made of two vowel sounds. You start with the W sound by putting your lips in this position. Okay, look sideways. And what you do is you blow through your lips like this. Ooh, 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 ooh. From there, you bring your mouth down to this position. The schwa position. If you want a specific tutorial showing you how to make the schwa sound, then click up here now. And what you do is you practice gradually going between the two, like this. Wah, 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 wah. Just practice this with me. Wah, 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 wah. Okay, if you need to pause the video, then pause the video and just practice getting comfortable saying the sound. Wah, wah, wah. The next sound is V. 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 Okay, this would appear in words like van, or in Russian, a name like Vladimir. Okay, that's the English pronunciation to the Russian name Vladimir. So, how do we make the V sound? What happens is it's called a labiodental sound. That's because labio means lips and dental means teeth. So when you make the V sound, your teeth, top teeth, touches your bottom lips, like this. Can you see? They just lightly touch, and then all you do is blow air through your teeth and your lips, so they vibrate together like this. Imagine you're copying the sound of a bee. What does a bee make? Zzz, or zzz. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Take your top teeth, put them on your bottom lip and blow out. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put the two sounds together. So I'm going to go W, V, W, V. Okay, let's do it. W, V, W, V, W, V, W, V, W, V, W, V. Okay, practice this until you're comfortable making it. Then we can do it a bit quicker. W, V, W, V, W, V, W, v, w, v, w, v. Okay? So simple as that. Practice doing this exercise until you get comfortable with it. Record yourself doing it and then watch it back so you can compare it to how I'm doing it. And that's going to really, really help you. Now, for the third part of the video, we're going to put both those sounds into some words. So I'm going to give you one word with the W sound and one word with the V sound. Okay? Let's go. Word one. Win. 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 Okay, V, van.
Hello.
Van. Hello. Van. Van. Okay, word two. Walk. 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 Video. 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 Okay, take it slowly and make sure that that lip is really vibrating against your teeth. Video. Video. Next word. Will. 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 I will. I will. V. Vote. 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 Okay, I vote. I vote. Next word. This has been important for the World Cup. Win. 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 France, they won. 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 Okay. V. Victorious. 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 Okay, in this World Cup, France were victorious. 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 Okay, so to summarise, step one, practice making both sounds individually. W, v. Step two, put the sounds next to each other. W, v, w, v. And step three, practice going through individual words that have these sounds in. Okay? In the next video, you're going to learn a step-by-step tutorial to learn the sound in English. This is one of the hardest vowel sounds that people struggle to make in English, So click here to watch this video now. If you've liked this video, thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos that come out like this on a weekly basis to help you speak English with credibility and confidence. And share the video with anyone that will benefit. For now, I'm going to go to the airport and get a flight back to London. See you in the next video.